So sad, and hoping that justice will indeed prevail. Now, the county government of Laikipia has come up with measures to address the rising numbers of single parents within the county through establishing training and special enterprise funds for single parents who can access the funds at a low interest rate to empower the society for economic growth. Speaking in Nanyuki town during a civic education organized by the county government, Warren Apopo, children officer, Laikipia, said that they have identified an increased cases of single parents in the county, and there was a need to equip them with modern technologies of parenting so there will be no gap to expose the children to child abuses. Apopo added that families that are vulnerable and come to towns for modern setups should join self-groups.
Drug and substance abuse, new HIV, and sexual gender-based violence. Defilement cases are on the rise, and these are also contributed by some of the cases that we refer to single parenting, where you find due to socio-economic hardships, people go bring the opposite gender within the same house, and therefore you find the cases to do with the defilement and sodomy. So we are here to share with them, to encourage them, and therefore also come up with a way forward.
Vile ninajua single mothers ni wanakuaga na changamoto nyingi sana wakati wa kulea watoto, kwa sababu mara kwa mara hao huenda kushughulikia watoto na muda mwingi hawakuagi na watoto pale nyumbani. Kwa hivyo wakati wanaenda kushughulika nao watoto huwa wanajikuta wako kwa hatari mbalimbali kama za rape na pia kukosa ile fatherly love.
Sisi kama County Government of Laikipia kwa Department of Trade, najua tuko na kitengo ambapo tunasema tuko na enterprise fund. Na hii ni fund ambayo iko na pesa mingi sana. And what we are doing, we are encouraging our women, our society, wakuja kuweza kukopa hiyo pesa. Na ile kitu naweza kuambia vizuri ni kuwa pesa yetu unakuja unapewa na 6%. Na at initial kuitisha ni kama 300,000. By the time unakuja kumaliza mwaka mzima, unaturudishia tu 300,000 na 16,000. It is cheap money, but mkitumia pesa hiyo mzuri, itakuwa mzuri zaidi.
We want to equip these people with modern techniques of parenting so that there is no gap that will expose these children to child abuses. So we are here and we will work with them throughout. We call upon any stakeholders that wishes to partner with us so that we help these mothers and fathers who are single and taking care of these children. And also for those families that are coming from the towns, modern setup, and they are very vulnerable and they are poor, we are calling upon them to come so that we unite and address their parental issues.
Now, women from Marsabit